Okay, your notes page 2, the basic concepts of the equation of circles. So I provide you a circle with the center HK and also the radius R. Then if I let XY be any points on the circle, okay, their differences must be R. Okay, otherwise it is not a circle. Okay, so by using the distance formula, okay, then we can have these equations, and this equations is called the standard form of the equation of circle. 咁 standard form 呢個字咧，其實你認識下就可以㗎啦，因為你考 DSE 嘅時候咧，譬如你考 equation of straight line 咁樣啦，其實佢係唔會要求你咧個 final answer 一定要係 Pons-Loop form y 等於 mx 加 c， 或者佢唔會一定要你係用 general form ax 加 by 等於 c 或者加 c 對0咁樣，其實佢唔會 fix 死你咧個 final answer 一定要係乜嘢嘅 format 嘅。OK， 咁所以咧變相咧circle 都係一樣啦，其實佢唔會限死你咧，一定係要用 standard form 嚟答案啊，或者一定要用乜嘢 form 嚟答案嘅。咁所以其實呢個字你認識下就可以啦。OK，so let's do some of the questions. So this one would be very easy. Just write down the answer by using these equations. So a circle with the center at the origin, it means that it provides the center is 0, 0. The radius provided is 3. So you can write down would be the standard form would be x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square equals to 3 square. Okay, and then for part B, the question asks you to, given the center is here, and then the radius is here, which is the same as part A. So this one would be x minus negative 3, okay, 減負3, so I can just write down plus 3 here. And then here would be y plus 1 square, and then the answer would be equals to 2 square. So I finished part A. And then for part B, mentioned that a circle with the center 3, 0, passing through the origin, okay, O. And then the standard equations, you have to find out the standard form, okay, the standard equation, the standard form. Then what should you do, okay? So first of all, remember, whenever we want to find the equations, we need two informations. Okay, the first information is that you need the center. And the second information is that you need the radius. And then for this one, you can see that the center is already given, is G, 3, 0. And then that means you have to find out the radius. Okay, you have to find the radius. So this one would be your first target. So if you look at the figure, okay, the radius is very obvious, okay, because you have one point here, and then you have the center here, then I think you can find out the radius. So first of all, you have to find out the radius first. 咁 radius 咧，你唔使咁傻豬咧，就走去用 distance formula 嘅喎。OK， 唔需要再用 distance formula。點解啊？因為呢一條咧係一條 horizontal line 嚟嘅。咁你咧就咁 x1 減 x2 就可以㗎啦。你唔使咧用 distance， 又唔使用 Pythagoras theorem 嚟嘅，因為佢係一條橫線 horizontal line 嚟嘅。Okay, so you can just use x1 minus x2. So it would be 3 minus 0， 大減細啦，記住。因為咧 no matter 個數字喺邊度，總而言之你記住係大減細又減咗，因為咧佢永遠都係 positive number 嚟嘅，因為佢係長度嚟嘅。So here would be 3 units. OK， 咁啊，因為佢 y 咧係一樣嘅，咁相減一定係0㗎啦。咁 square 咗又係0啦，開方又係0啦，所以其實係冇任何影響嘅。咁你唔需要用 distance formula 啦。Okay, so therefore the standard form, the standard form would be x minus 3 square plus y minus 0 square equals to 3 square. And then the question give you one extra question. Hence, find the equation, find the area. So the area would be very easy. So it would be pi r square. So r is 3. So it would be 9 pi square units. OK， 咁啊，我提一提你咧，就係喺考試嘅時候，或者係 Form One 嘅時候咧，我曾經有見過有啲寶寶咧係會寫 unit square 嘅，咁咧我就唔會俾分嘅。OK， 咁啊，通常我哋係寫 square unit， 唔係寫 unit square 嘅。OK，so this is your notes page 2. Okay, your notes page 3. So your notes page 3 is that it given this time given the equation of circles, and then you have to find out the coordinates. Okay, so so I think it should not be difficult. So again, part A. So x squared, it means that it's x minus 0 square. And then for the rest would be y minus 7 squared. You can just copy. And then would be equals to 25. 25, it means that 5 squared. So very obvious, you will know that the center is 0, 7. Okay, and then how about the radius? Would be you copy this number, that means 5. So this is part A. And then for part B, okay, part B, you can see that here, you have the 3 here, you have the 3 here, and then you have the 12 here, and very obvious that in the standard form you can't have the coefficient here. So it means that the whole equation you have to divide by 3. Okay, whole equation divided by 3. So for this one would be x minus 2 squared. Okay, divided by 3. That means the 3 is cancelled. And then for 3y plus 1 squared, once again, if you delete divided by 3, that means the 3 would be cancelled. And then for 12 divided by 3, so would be 4. Okay, so we write it again. So okay, for this one would be 2 squared. So it means that the center is 2, negative 1. And also the radius would be 2. So this one means the whole equation divided by 3. And this one you just use 4 equals to 2 squared. So this is the questions on page 3. And then we move on to the next part. Okay, so in the figure, point P, okay, is a point on the circle with the center at O. So once again, it provides you the center 0, 0 as the center provide is 0, 0. And then it means that you have to find the radius first. Okay, so again, this question is very similar to the previous one. So first of all, the radius, okay, would be this time is the y vertical, okay, vertical line. 今次係一條直線嚟㗎啦。咁又係一樣啦 ，x 減 x 你發現係 zero 嘅，因為佢哋係一樣。So which means that again you don't have to use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorem 係斜線先會用嘅啫。Okay, distance formula 係斜線先會用嘅啫。咁所以咧 I can just use the y coordinates. So remember it's large big number minus small number. Okay, 大減細啦。Okay, 或者咧你可以選擇係上減下咯。So be 0 minus negative 1/2. That means 1/2. Okay, units. So the center, the equation would be x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square equals to 1/2 square. Okay, so the question didn't ask you to provide in standard form, so I think you can a little bit simplify it a little bit. Okay, so now it's your turn. Okay, please do the quick practice 7.1 to 2 and then exercise 7a, and then you can check the answer. Okay.